This is the front elevator at the Rampark Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be 4K 30 frames take on the 1976 Dover elevator. So let's start. We'll go down first. So here we go. Here it comes. Stop on 3. This is the modded Dover. And here it is. Let's go down the basement. Here we go. It's traction. Here's the basement. Alright, let's go to 6. Here we go. Here's 6. Let's go back down to the street level. Pictures, Adam Survivor plus Vandal Resistant. The phone over there. Dover. Fornicator. Snapcap. Snapcap. Here at the street level. Alright, that's it. And that's it. Alright, here we are. That's it.